What is up guys? So I'm here to do a quick unboxing video of the Anker Nano II 65 watt power brick. So it's a portable na charger that can charge your laptops and your cell phone as well. So kumuha din tayo ng cable na kayang tapatan yung 65 watt na capacity ng power brick. So ito ay 60 watts. So buksan na natin. Open. Yun. So yun yung laman niya. So it's 65% smaller than a portable plug. So ito buksan. May pull tab siya dito. Yun. So ito yung power brick mismo. Naman wala na ata tsaka manual. So in comparison, ito yung power brick ng MacBook Pro. So 58% smaller daw siya. Ayan. Tsaka maganda sa kanya, no-fold yung saksakan niya. So mas nakaka-decrease ng size mo. Maganda siyang snap. Very sturdy. Tapos buksan na rin natin ito. Cable. Ayun. What's inside? Full tab. Cable lang. Tsaka konting paper. So, if you're looking for a portable all-in-one charger, really portable and handy, I suggest you get the Anker 65 watt. Meron din ata itong 45 and 30 watts. I got this from Anker's Lazada store for 2295 for the power brick and 465 for the cable. So, try na natin siya. I'm at 22% na lang. Saksak natin. And charging. So, yun lang muna guys. Thanks for watching. Peace!